morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Alex here. For today I've got this all brand new, there it is, full black on black outside and inside, the all brand new Mercedes-AMG GLE Coupé, and this is the 53 version of this one and only beautiful AMG Coupé. So yeah, without waiting, let's get discovered together on some details and after on the road. Alright, so let's get started with this very beautiful, very unique, first time seeing it, first time driving it, and the sensational are already beautiful. So yeah, let's get started very quickly. The walk around the whole car, first of all, with the engine. There it is, that I'm just going to comment it later on while driving. So this is actually the 3-liter V6 bi-turbo engine, 435 horsepower for it. So the noise of it is really beautiful, even if it's a bi-turbo. But if you switch with the Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, the noise engine makes it different. Okay, so just after the engine, you do have this very beautiful, recognizable GLE LED lights that are only specifically for the GLE. Massive 12 Pan America grille lines, as you might notice, with the AMG logo just right here, and fully in black. You have like the low end bumper that also makes the whole curve that you can recognize also for just some AMG versions of the car. What I absolutely love for the specification of the car are these 22 inches rims, fully in black, very beautiful, with the AMG calipers fully in silver as well, and you have one AMG detail right here. But yeah, very beautiful rims, fully in black. And also the shape of the car is very special and beautiful, that you have like a curve that is sliced like this and that it cuts at the end. Right, so just on the side of the car you have this Turbo 4MATIC Plus badge that is just right here. Also you have the step sides as optional of course, and this is like the whole version, this is like the whole shape of the car. Like this, you really can notice the coupe version of the car with this tremendous black on black rims and fully black on the car. So yeah, that's the rear part of the car. Brand new shape, brand new LED lights that are more curved like this, and the shape is just getting down and cut more like this. You have the 53 GLE 53 badge, these twin exhaust tips, 2 on each side, very nice as well. And yeah, you have like, this is also the new bumper, the rear bumper of the car with all those lines that are getting out. AMG also logo right here. And yeah, this is the whole car for this GLE. Just for the rear section of the car, there you go, with the step obviously that you can put your feet here and just step on board the car. This is like the whole inside with the diamonds on board and just a bit of Alcantara that surrounds the car. I mean, that surrounds the seats. This is like the whole coupe. You have like this nice panoramic sunroof, and that's the whole front of the car with the all brand new entertainment system, as you can notice, which is pretty nice. For the front part of the car, there you go, you have like tremendously more space on board. You're welcome with the AMG door sides, also light on, beautiful. Also AMG fully sits with this logo as well, diamonds, very beautiful. Check this out, wow, I'm already in love with this one. And there we go with the, you also have illuminated just armrests right here. And look at that, with this tremendous 12-inch screen each, and the old brand new AMG steering wheel that is right here that you can rotate actually. Let me lay down the car. And there we go. That you can rotate, that I really love with this Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, as you can hear the engine, and you can open the valves on the same time. And yeah, this is how everything works. Let's go on the road. Already on board of this GLE 53 Coupé. Let's hear the noise. Wow, beautiful. And it goes and goes and goes. The turbos are blowing inside. So we have a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo engine, provided also with the EQ boost as well. That helps also the car with the electric mode, the electric power, getting more quicker and more faster for the response as well. So that's also quite a good help for the car as well. On the same way, we just have a bicycle, sorry. And yeah, so actually this 3-liter V6 provides 435 horsepower for actually 520 Newton meters of torque, which is really a lot. And the quick response of the car is just tremendous. We also hear the crackles on the back, and yeah, the whole Mercedes, the whole car is the second generation that has been redone, remodified. It's not quite a facelift, because the exterior and the interior is also changing a lot. The position of the car is also pretty heavy. 2.2 tons for the car, so just to stop the car it takes you just a bit more longer, but the brakes are powerful and the response back is also really great. So actually from 0 to 100 in only 5.3 seconds, which is pretty quick, and which is very powerful as well for a car that much heavy. 5.3 seconds is not that much, but yeah, just about the driving and the experience behind the wheel is really insane. You feel the Sport Plus version, as you can switch with the rotating circle right here, and you have like everything here on board the car, on board the steering wheel, that you don't need to touch everywhere and all over the car, as you know, and as you know before the old generation, that you've got so many buttons right here in the middle all over. So now you have everything that is everything on board, and while you can drive. I do also love, like, this is the old brand new entertainment system with, this is pretty unique, pretty new as well for Mercedes, like this all AC vents, 4 AC vents, like right in the middle of you, and get this two big 12.3 inches screen, which are very practical. Also touch and digital screens that you can get with the AC, entertainment, seats, power of the car, that you can adjust everything and all the setup for the car, which is very practical. So yeah, I do love all the brand new cars. The car is super high as well, so you see like everything of the 360 view as well. Just for the back, that is just a bit sliced, but you have big mirrors that you can see all the spots all around on board the car. You have like beautiful LED lights just in the middle of the car. On the night it's very beautiful, adding a glamour touch as well on board, and which is very great. So yeah, hope that you guys really appreciate this very quick review, exterior, interior, and while driving on board right here. Very comfortable as well. I forgot you have ventilated and heated seats as well, so this is very practical. Also heated steering wheel, which is also optional. Full black on black car, outside and inside. So yeah, hope that you really guys appreciate it. Massive thanks to Mercedes Geneva, massive thanks to Group Chevrolet Geneva as well. Hope to see you very soon. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hope to see you very soon for an all brand new next video. Bye.